That was sweet 30s crap. Ken, thanks a lot. And I'd like to make a public service announcement. Just reminding you listeners that your support of live music and culture is what keeps it alive. And with that, I'd like to play this song I call PuPPeTTeeRs. Ain't never been to Mississippi in my memory. You can go ahead and ask my wife. Cruising old sleek Eldorado on the road to petroleum slavery. Don't claim no recollections, but I could have passed through in a past life. And I might have sucked the light out of the sky and spewed it back across the night. If it's really true about the deja vu, can we trust the strength of our juju when the kite is out of sight? What do we hope to get back when the string pulls tight and goes slack? Is this what we always fear? Ask the crying puppeteer. Never been to Mississippi in my memory. You can go ahead and ask my wife. Cruising old sleek Eldorado on the road to some petroleum slavery. And I don't claim no recollections, but I could have passed through in a past life. And I might have sucked the light out of the sky and spewed it back across the night. It's really true about the deja vu. Can we trust our juju when the kite is flying out of sight? What do we hope to get back when the string pulls tight and then it goes slack? Oh yeah. It was late one night by the pale moonlight. All the vegetables gave us free. They put out the sign that said the dancing's denied and all the admission was free. There was peas and greens and cabbage and beans. It was the biggest crowd you ever did see. When old man Cucumber struck up that number, you should have heard the vegetables scream. Well, the little turned up top, the backwards flop. The cabbage shook the shimmy and he could not stop. Little red beet shook his feet, and the watermelon got up the cockeyed heat. The little tomato, such an agitator, shook the shimmy with the sweet potato. And old man garlic dropped dead of the collie down at the barnyard late this morning. Down at the barnyard dance. When old man Cucumber struck up that number, should have heard the vegetables scream. Well, the little turnip top did the backwards flop. The cabbage shook the shimmy and he could not stop. The little red beet shook his feet, and the watermelon